Hi friends, in the previous video I have shown you how to install a WordPress website manually on a web host. In this video I am going to show you a easy method. Here I am using HostGator cPanel. You can follow the same method for a different hosting provider which uses cPanel. Log into your cPanel. Once you have logged in, from the left side menu you need to click on software. Under software you will have an option called as quick install. If you don't have quick install option in the cPanel, you can check my other video on how to install WordPress manually. If you have quick install, click on quick install. You need to click on one click installs and you need to select WordPress and you need to select the domain. Select that particular domain and click on next, and you need to give the site title name, username, first name, last name and your email ID. After giving all the details, you need to accept the terms and conditions and you need to click on install. Here you can see the message, installation complete. The benefit of using quick install is that you don't need to create the database and the user separately. It automatically creates the database user and link it to your WordPress website. And after installation, it will give you your installation details like this. And also you will get the login credentials to your mail ID. I'm going to copy the password and click on login. Or you can directly go to your website, just enter your domain path. You need to enter the username and password. In my case, the username is admin. Using quick install, it automatically generates the password. So you need to copy paste the password over here and click on login. You need to verify your email ID. Check the email address and click on the email is correct. If you have given the wrong email ID, you need to update over here. Here is the backend of the WordPress website, that is the dashboard. Let's see the front end. Here is the front end. So that's it guys. In this way you can install a WordPress website easily using quick install on the cPanel. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.